All right, strap on in. We're headed to the day 2 at the Money Creek, and it's going to be a good one.
I like those.
I have no clues, I think, like, whatsoever. Man, okay. Okay, I'm already looking a hot mess. We haven't even really started our walk yet, but this is day 2, and it's not just me and Gypsy that you know. We also have Patty. Patty D is with us.
So I've been knowing Patty for a while, and I know Hot Mess has. And so Patty, I met her when she very first got started in this hobby, and she was sending me, you know, photos of her very first finds, and I got to see her very first ring and her first silver coin.
Oh,
And so today, what do you want to find?
A silver coin.
Silver coin.
All right.
Good one.
Did she tell you I found a silver quarter yesterday?
Yes, that's what I want to find. Is a silver quarter or something bigger?
Something bigger,
All
yeah.
right, so we're gonna go find some treasure. How about it, Hot Mess?
Yeah, I'm hoping, like, I'm going to put it out there again. Listen, please. Like,
I'm finding gold today.
gold would be
Silver
awesome.
That would be
yesterday.
great.
I want some silver today. I'm still really trying to get a silver spoon.
I'm
but-
game with anything.
Yeah. I brought my sifter, so I could definitely get some different
We're
stuff
gonna
this
get something
time.
good today. I
Yeah.
just know it.
All right. Well, wish us luck. We'll see you soon. Yeah. I'm normally pretty good with going back to somewhere we've already been, like just in general. There's that one tree. Should we cut over to that? Or should we? Yeah, that's what we need to go this way. Yeah. Oh, I'm caught on branches. I've seen it. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Oh, thorns right there. And there's where we came back up out of the creek. Yeah. Then we just gotta come over here and go down. So I just don't know where that tree is that we come down into the. I'm not sure if it's that tree because it kind of looks like it was that tree. Don't know if it's left or right there. Yeah, I know if we keep going right, well, I don't want to end up on top of that hill again like we did yesterday. This is me just trying to figure out where that creek is. I'm going this way. We'll see. Regardless, it's close, so we could have went left, right? I should have went with my instinct to stay to the right that way, right? Can you tell? Yeah.
It's washed out her glass.
Yeah, wait till you see this stuff over here, though. Yeah, I saw that yesterday. I thought it was an E at first, and then I was like, oh, it's a 3. So, you can stop anywhere along the way. She came over here yesterday. Oh, my foot's wet. She got that right, like, she got in right there and found a coin, like, as soon as we started in the spot.
And I know there's a lot of history where my daughter lives.
Oh, yeah. I was just going to show you where the source is up here, and then you can pick wherever.
In the woods, in the middle of the woods.
Yeah. I know, I saw that too. It is a doll bed. Yeah, you can see it, like, that's cool.
Because there's
The rail thing, like, yeah. So once you're over here, you'll see this is the source. See the, like, landfill hill? Yeah, and so
she was climbing up there.
she was climbing way up there. She was,
I don't think I want to.
yeah, you don't have to. Okay, so the one cool thing about the AccuPoint is that, like, if you take it to somewhere like this, like a dump site, it'll make sounds that aren't so great for like your iron targets, your ferrous stuff. But then, like, it'll make different sounds for different things. What is this? Let's see. We got a knife there. But like it'll make a good sweet sound when you're on a good target, and so like you can skip over a bunch of the sounds that you probably wouldn't necessarily want, and then just listen for the good stuff. And then when you hit one of those, then just dig those things out. There's something right there. Let's see.
I've never found anything like that. I just found the other weird stuff.
Got my first good find of the day. Got a thimble. All right, I found that one actually with the pinpointer, so I might try that a little bit. And I've got some sifting I want to do as well. Also record me. Patty is nice enough to hold my phone. We were sitting here talking, and I had not found anything good with the sifter yet. I found the thimble with my pinpointer, but I was like, man, this thing's going to pay off eventually. I'm going to find something. And Gypsy says,
I literally said, I haven't found a coin yet.
She said,
but I said, we're going to find one.
And as she said the word coin, I'll go, oh, because I don't have a clue what I got here. But check it out. Oh my gosh. Got roundness.
Roundness.
That's
dirty
a good
green nickel
roundness.
size or bigger.
What do you think? I have no clue what it is. I'll try to clean it up. We'll see if it gets cleaned up enough where you can see what it is. But
that is quarter size.
is it quarter size? It's just nasty and green and gross.
That is quarter size, girl. If it's not quarter size, it's probably going to be a foreign coin.
It could be, yeah, foreign. Like
I found a lot of foreign coins here.
All right,
and tokens too.
Stay
Some
tuned.
cool
We'll
tokens.
see what it is. Oh,
In the creek.
cool.
It's freaking here. See?
That's the best thing to find is if you're digging and then a marble just.
A marble. Yeah, like, I mean, I had that one yesterday. It'll kill me.
Off the hill here. And I got a white marble.
Sweet.
Sweet.
So Patty got something good. Found a marble. Good job. Is it blue and yellow?
Yeah.
Heck
Yellow
yeah.
and blue.
That's awesome. Show Me Treasure will be able to tell you more about it. Like, I don't know if you've ever asked Chris, but he knows his marbles.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you might be able to get something off where you could read it on there. I don't know. That's different than the ones we were finding yesterday. We got this. I have no clue if it's going to be a button, pin, foreign coin, like a coin. I just don't know, but it's something. It'll be fun to clean it up and try to figure it out. My hands are gross. I have gloves and I'm totally not wearing them. We got a key here. And dig down, see what else we can find. And you got this buckle here.
Stick to that area. Usually I pop a couple more.
Yeah. Got some green round right here. I was about to switch my spot and then I pull this and oh, sorry. I think I'm going to stick with it. I have no clue if we'll get it clean enough to where you can see anything. Oh. I don't know. Everything's pretty caked up, but happy to get it regardless.
What in the world are you doing? Are you headbanging or something?
Okay, got a second coin right here in the same spot. I do not know what it is either. Imagine that, but sweet. Oh, I can read United on this one, I think. Yeah. This one might actually clean up enough to where I can figure out what it is soon. I just found the piece of, my hands were wet and they look real wrinkled. That's funny. But I just found the piece of a key. And I also found some fossils. Cool thing. Oh, wow.
This is amazing. U.S.
Oh, sweet. Let me get out of the light.
That is epic, girl.
Oh, my goodness.
What? What were you saying? I went, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, that was a pin.
Yeah,
A
it was.
US pen. That is epic, girl.
Can I see it?
Sweet.
So sorry.
Yeah,
I'm excited.
I know, right?
She found a pen. It says US.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
That's epic, girl. And what's so
Yeah,
funny
you
is
see
I
it?
found the US collar pen yesterday. Now you
Right.
found a
So
US
cool.
pen.
Congratulations.
Congrats. That's what
That,
I'm
yeah,
looking
you did
for.
good.
Relics like that. That's epic, girl.
That's awesome.
There you go. Good job.
Good
I'm
start.
jealous. Good job.
start.
Okay, I thought I was recording. Good thing I noticed it. It was not recording. I just found another penny. Pretend it's there in my hand. I dropped it in my bag already. I guess I dropped it. I feel so silly. I kept looking for that penny. I kept saying, I know I had one more penny. And now, after editing this video, I realized what happened. But Patty got another marble, so she's up to 3 now. Good job. Yeah. Pretty colors, too. There's Patty over there on the hillside. But I just realized this dump is so massive. Like, it goes on and on. That hillside, it's nothing but glass, nothing but glass, nothing but glass. And like, all that's the same way. But I can't really get over there right now. I'll just have to hope and pray I can come back here someday. So awesome. Losing daylight, so I probably should head down. I'm on top of the waterfall now, and I can go down and use a little bit of the daylight we have to dig a little bit more and then leave. If I dig up here, it'll be dark when I try to come down off this waterfall, and that will not be good. Let's see if we can catch this from the top. It's gonna be loud. Sorry. Oh, goodness, it's stuck. Okay. See, this is where I was, up above this. Hi, Patty.
Hi.
Don't fall. That'd be a horrible video. Yeah. Got this top toe lipstick tube. We're running out of daylight and running out of time, but as we're walking our way out, I found this. Still looking for a silver spoon. Come on. Come on. Don't be my friend. Give me one last thing I asked for it. Goodness gracious, you're the second person in Dallas that let me get over.
Some people will skeleton on the boat. Then I saw a couple like that.
Hi. Hi, pretty. I know, you're like, you got a bright light in my face.
There you go.
Hi, big boy.
He doesn't meow me real loud either. He's got the daintiest.
So, do not swim if you have been ill with diarrhea within the past 2 weeks. Also, extended breath holding activities are dangerous and prohibited. Also, just so you know, pets in the pool, they're prohibited. There will be another wrap-up at the end of the video, I believe, next week. Next week is going to be a part 3 that's going to be the rest of my adventures on my way home. If you look there underneath the lipstick tube, there's my Bennington marble. So excited about it. I can't believe I forgot to record it. This next sign, it was funny. It was on my way to the hotel, and I thought it was appropriate for the day. And here's Patty when I first picked her up. We were so excited to go out and hang out with Gypsy. And we met up with her and Wendy and went back out and got some treasure. It was a lot of fun. Not what you expect to see beside the hot tub at the hotel. It's blurry, but I love it.